Hello students, welcome to the channel Basics of Biology, a step to learning biology. Today we are going to discuss about what is a plant cell. So let's start the topic. So a plant cells are the basic and fundamental units of a plant. It's a eukaryotic cells, means it contains a true nucleus and other organelles. Why I called true nucleus? Cause it has 4 parts: nuclear membrane, nucleoplasm, nuclear reticulum, and nucleolus. Plant cells are comparatively larger than animal cells. So let's see which organelles contain a plant cell. It is cell wall, cell membrane, Golgi apparatus, a large vacuole, chloroplast, mitochondria, ribosome, rough endoplasmic reticulum, smooth endoplasmic reticulum, nucleus, nucleolus, amyloplast, and lysosome. So these are the organelles contain a plant cell. So let's know about the organelles. First one is cell wall. You can see in picture, this is the cell wall. It is the outer cover of the cell and it made of cellulose, hemicellulose, pectin, lignin and soluble proteins. And what is its function? Mainly it protects the cell from outer environment. Means it provides structural strength and support to the cell. And it also provides a barrier to protect against the pathogens. Next one is cell membrane. Cell membrane is also called plasma membrane. It composed of carbohydrate, lipids and proteins. It works as a barrier which keeping unwanted substances out of the cells. Next, nucleus. A plant cell nucleus is the membrane-bound organelle that contains the genetic material or deoxyribonucleic acid of the cell. Nucleus is function in the plant cell by storing and regulating the DNA. Next, you can see mitochondria. This is the important organelle of the cell. Mitochondria produce energy in the plant cell through cellular respiration. That's why it's called powerhouse of the cell. Next, vacuole. It's a structure that contains sap. Sap means a type of fluid and it's surrounded by a single membrane which is called tonoplast. It is the large organelle of the plant cell. It functions as a storage of the cell and it can hold food for later use and it also can hold the waste material for removal. Next, chloroplast. Chloroplasts are the organelle in plant cells which are crucial for plants. So what is the function of chloroplast? Chloroplast convert light energy into stable chemical energy by photosynthesis process. Chloroplast contain a green color pigment called chlorophyll which is required for photosynthesis process. Next is ribosome. Ribosome are a minute particle, means the smallest particle of the cells, consisting of RNA or ribonucleic acid and it found in the cytoplasm of the cell. It is the site of protein synthesis. Next, endoplasmic reticulum. It is a membranous tubule found in cytoplasm and you can see in picture it is attached to the nuclear membrane. Endoplasmic reticulum can be smooth and rough. Rough endoplasmic reticulum has ribosome on its surface. That's why it's called rough. Endoplasmic reticulum serves many roles like protein synthesis, lipid metabolism, calcium storage, etc. Next is Golgi apparatus. These are the organelles of the cell found in cytoplasm. It prepares proteins and lipid molecule and it also involved in distributing synthesized macromolecule to different parts of the cells. Next is lysosome. Lysosomes are the organelles responsible for breaking down cellular wastes. Its function as the digestive system of the cell and it contains digestive enzymes. Sometimes lysosomes digest or damage its own cells by these enzymes. That's why it's called suicidal bag. Next is amyloplast. These are one type of plant plastid. Next, let's see what are the different types of plant cells. Number 1. Collenchyma cells. They are hard or rigid cells. It provides support to the plants. Number 2. Sclerenchyma cell. Sclerenchyma cells are more rigid than collenchyma cell. It also provides support to the cell for its hardness. Next one is parenchyma cells. These are the living cells of the plant. It involved in production of the leaves. These cells are more flexible because it's thinner than other type of cells. Next one is xylem. These are the transport cells of vascular plants. They help in transport of water and other minerals from roots to leaves and other parts of the cells. And the next one is phloem. These are also type of transport cells, and it transport food which is prepared by leaves to the other parts of the plants. So these are the different types of plant cells. Let's see some important questions from this topic, which are already I have discussed, and you have to answer in comment box. So let's see. What are the organelles found in plant cells? What are the different types of plant cells? Why mitochondria called powerhouse of the cells? Why lysosome called suicidal bag of the cells? Functions of cell organelles. Why rough endoplasmic reticulum called rough? And the difference between plant cell and animal cells. So students, these are today's topic. Hope this video will help you, and thank you for watching this video. If you like the video, please like, share and subscribe the channel Basics of Biology.